My name is John Locey with Paxton Lumber Company. We're here in Lexington, Kentucky today, celebrating the opening of Keeneland Racing Track. We've used a lot of the Americana Thermally Modified Ash in this construction project here. This project here is an outdoor open concept, and it needed a wood species that was going to be able to handle the extreme temperatures, and with it being open, a lot of airflow, sunlight, this product worked perfect for it. When we got the call on needing some thermally modified woods, we reached out to a couple suppliers and came across Americana. Started talking to them, and a lot of the products and characteristics of what they were selling matched perfectly for the needs here. We knew it was going to be a significant amount of material. It all worked out really well, and the product is doing exactly what we needed to do. This project was on a very tight timeline in terms of, they have to be able to meet opening day, which is this October 3rd, and because of that, Americana was able to deliver in manufacturing the product and shipping the product here out on site to be able to meet that deadline. The product itself looks fantastic. It works great. It was easy to work with. It was easy to install. Based upon the price point, the customer service, the lead times, I would highly recommend using this product in any other future outdoor builds that you have going on.